everybody, it's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're doing amazing. We have an awesome job to do today, and it's to move this big, huge pile of gravel. We get to use something awesome. This humongous construction vehicle. It's a wheel loader. Come on, let's start this awesome job.
How's a handyman? A handyman that's got a plan. How's a handyman? If he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh, wow. Check this out. This is called the bucket. Put a lot of stuff in there. Come on. Got some humongous tires. Oh, yeah. And then right here, this is the main master switch. Get it open. Let's see. There you go. That turns everything on and off. Right now it's on. Lock that back in there. Come on, let's check out the inside. This is gonna be awesome. Oh, yep. Okay. Woo! All right, now we're in the cabin of this awesome construction vehicle. We got all kinds of cool stuff. We've got these joysticks right here. These two joysticks actually operate the bucket, makes them go up and down. That's really cool. And then we've got pedals down here on the bottom. We've got our gas pedal, and we even got two brakes. Oh, how cool is that? We got those. We got a parking brake. Oh, check these out. We've got this really cool backup camera right here. It shows me everything behind me. And of course, this computer lets us know what's going on, like all our hydraulics, all of the gas, the oil pressure, all that. Of course, we got all these switches, and of course, the key. So let's crank this up. Let's see. Oh yeah. You hear the sound of the engine? Isn't that awesome? Oh, look. Let's see if we can raise and lower the buckets. Oh yeah, check that out. Oh yeah, that's amazing. All right, well, let's go move some gravel. Let's go. Got the door shut there. All right, let's turn our parking brake off. Raise our bucket up. Oh yeah. Put it in reverse. And here we go. Oh yeah. Back up. We can actually use our backup camera. There we go. All right, let's get in front of our pile. Yeah, put it in forward. All right, yeah, here we go. There we go, there we go. Got to get in front of it nice and even. Up, now we're gonna drop it down. Got it in there? I think we got him in there. Oh yeah. All right, let's keep on going. Oh, we're just gonna roll right on over this little pile there. We might have to come back and get the rest of that later. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Of course, it's raining a little bit, but you gotta get the job done no matter what. All right, we gotta go over here where there's some dirt. Gotta cover up the dirt with this gravel. Oh yeah. All right. We're coming up on this little patch of dirt where we need some gravel at. All right, I think we're good. Probably about right here. Yep, I think we're good. All right, so we gotta lift it up. Yep. All right, and let's dump it out. Here it goes. Oh yeah, there we go. I think that was perfect. Oh, awesome. All right, well, let's go back and get some more. come down here to our gravel pile. Oh yeah, almost there. All right, let's see, about like right here. All right, let's lift this up. And let's tilt the bucket. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, looks like we got some dirt in that too. But that's okay. All right, let's see. Let's back up a little bit. Let's tilt our bucket back up. All right. Is we're gonna come right over the top of it. Yep, we're gonna drop that bucket down just a little bit. Yeah. All right. Now we need to get back over there to that side. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Well, we got our gravel moved. Oh, close that door. Now, we just got to get it all leveled out. And I know just what to use. Come on. Oh wow, check this out, my friends. Oh. This is called a bulldozer. Told you Handyman had a plan. And we're gonna use this to level out all this gravel. How cool is this? Check out the front of this thing. It's one huge big blade that we use to level everything out. Isn't that awesome? Right? Oh, check this out. Look at all these really cool tracks. Of course, that's for going through mud and dirt and gravel, so we don't get stuck, right? Let's check out the inside, come on. Gotta step up right here and grab these handlebars. Oh, we even get to walk on the track. Check this out. That's its exhaust. That's cool. Let's crawl inside. And this is its cabin. Oh, gotta love this. Let's see. Oh, we've got our gas pedal and our brake. Oh, yep, we got those. And of course, got these really cool joysticks here. This one right here is actually for us to drive. We're going forward and in reverse and left and right. And this one right here, this actually works the blade on the front. It raises it and it lowers it. Oh, so let's crank this up, see what we got. Oh yeah, you hear that engine? Isn't that awesome? All right, well, let's get to it. We gotta raise the throttle up a little bit. Yep. Take off our parking brake. All right. And here we go. All right. So this is what we gotta do. We gotta lower our blade down. We gotta push some of it to the opposite side. Yep, just like that right there. Yep. Yep, there we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in reverse, drop our blade down, and we're gonna drag it back so we can level it all out. Just like that. Slowly raising the blade up. Oh, see, that's exactly what we gotta do. All right, so let's turn a little bit here to the left. Let's do the same exact thing, all right? Here we go. Lower our blade to push it forward a little bit. There we go, just like that. right, there we go. Then go in reverse, lower that blade down and flatten it back out. Oh yeah, this is working great. This is an awesome job. Oh yeah, just like that right there. Oh, we're doing great. Drop that blade down. There we go. Just like that. Yeah, just like that right there. Now all we gotta do is level it all back out. Just like that right there. All right, good job. What an awesome job that was. Oh, this thing is totally awesome, right? Of course, a big piece of machine like this has got to have a big engine, right? Check it out. This whole backside is the engine. You can look right inside here. Oh yeah, check this out. Of course, you see the fan in there? That's a huge fan. Oh wow. So you got that, and then this right here. This is where the radiator is. Check how big that radiator is. That's huge. Oh wow. Yep, that's awesome. Come over here. And of course, all of it runs through right here. Check out all this stuff. Got all our hydraulic hoses and wires. See our hydraulic pumps right there? Those are cool. And of course, the drive shaft, you gotta have that. It operates everything. It's totally awesome. Well, we had an absolutely wonderful day. We did an awesome job. So thanks for watching Handyman How. We'll see you later.